Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you on a Friday afternoon. It is December the 8th, end of the week, and an interesting day. Really, honestly, a very good week. Let's start with the good news. The good news is we had another green day on the PA account, $406 today, which I think is the best day that I've had on the funded account so far. Every day this week we were in profit, $1,100 profit this week on the PA. We got that funded account up to $50,570, so very, very thrilled with that. I think I have 5, 6, 8 days left until the end of the first submission period for payouts here in December, so hopefully we can keep this streak going. I think I would need to make about 250, 260 probably a day. And I would reach the payout threshold by the 20th of December. If we can have some $300 to $400 days, that would be very helpful because the chances that we have green every day are not that high. We've had, I think today is day 20, and we've had 14 green days and 6 red days on the funded account so far. And then rounding out good news, I've got 2 more accounts passed that I need to continue to flip. This bottom account here, I need to flip it for 3 more days, so by next Thursday this account will be funded. And this 152 account, the second account up, that account I need to flip for all of next week. Today was day 2, and that account will be funded as well. So we are definitely at the 3 marker, which is a good thing. And then comes the painful stuff. This account you see at $66 profit is actually blown. Crazy, but we went in with our normal 10 contracts this morning, like I have liked to try to do, and it worked to perfection. The market, that was this trade right here. The market was moving up so quickly that I hit my 61 ticks, which should be at $3,010 profit after the commissions. But it moved so quickly that the trade copier apparently malfunctioned, and it closed me out at $2,700 profit. So while we hit my targets because of the rapid move up, it didn't get me the full credit. So I was up $2,700, and then I took a loss here, and then I think I traded a different account here for a while, and then I went in right here with 10 contracts again, and I went long at the top, and it completely went against me and stopped me out, and I couldn't figure out why I had the auto liquidation signal coming up when I'm in profit. And because I was just thinking, I can be at like 48,000 or whatever, and totally forgot that you have a $2,500 trailing drawdown. So it's kind of funny, but hey, I'm 2 for 3 on passing at the open or within the first hour. I'm 2 for 3 on passing these evals on this 10 contract setup. So I'm going to keep doing that with some of these other ones. Again, I'm just trying to reach this goal of having 10 funded accounts by January 1. So we're 30% of the way there. And then the other bit of really bad news is these top 3 accounts. Oh, my gut is still hurting because of this. I have to show you my afternoon. I traded so well today. Look at this move. Just look at this trend, and it's just green. I had 2 losing trades all afternoon. 2. And the problem, here's what I was doing. I was scaling in. Let's talk about these 2 yellow circles. These are my 2 PA trades. And I scaled in on this one, which was phenomenal, and I scaled in on this one. I believe I went in on 1 contract. The market was moving so slowly this afternoon, I was able to go into it, enter in, and then if it went against, I would immediately set a couple of additional buy orders further down in case it pulls back. And whenever it did that, I would be in with 2 contracts or 3 or whatever. And I did that all afternoon on at least some of these trades, and some of these small winners were actually decent winners. And as you can see, I'm up 600 on several accounts. And it just allowed me to scale in and not have a whole lot of ticks, but have a lot of profit. But it worked very well. I had 1 bad one here. I thought we were rolling over, and I was looking for this break all day, and it actually happened at the end of the day. But in any case, I was wrong there. I had a winner-loser. But I'm going to go to this painful trade. This is a very, 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 very painful trade to me. Right here in this area was I had entered somewhere up here. I had went long with these top three accounts, and we were at 52,200, I believe, and at that point. And I went in with two contracts. It pulled back. I bought two more. It bounced around a little bit, pulled back again. I bought two more. Bounced around a little bit, pulled back again. I bought two more. So I was in 8 deep. And if you look at this wick right here, this wick, I had my stop at that point, or my first profit target with 7 contracts sitting right here, and my 8th one was way up, somewhere above the high of the day. And this candle moved up, and it had not yet touched my target, but I saw this go to $53,001, $53,001. And I moved my profit target back down, but it started pulling back a little bit. And so I just left my profit target up here where I thought it would hit. And this thing bounced up like 52,900 and change, and it just wouldn't quite touch. And why? Why I didn't just take the profit? Oh, it's so painful. So then this thing dips, and it starts going against me, and it went so fast, and I couldn't continue to add, and by then you're really starting to lose, and all at once I get GAT stopped at an almost $900 loss. So we went from having this account at $53,001, not closing it, to being down to $51,210. Take that for a painful lesson today. So if I would have if I would have taken these top 3 accounts, well, the top 2 would have been at 52,900, 52,700, something like that. And, we could have probably grabbed a little bit. I grabbed a few more winners here at the end of the day before I quit trading at 3:30. So I don't know. That's just, that really, really, really hurts. I've had this top account, I've had at under $300 or $300 away from passing. I've had it up there twice already, and I'm back down to 51. So live and learn. But hey, we'll go for it again next week. Had good days and honestly, I had a really good day. This is not really a good representation of how my day went. I think I only had like 9 losing trades, and I had 20 some winners. I just traded very, very, very well today. This area after the open was, I don't know how I want to say this. I definitely got a little greedy. I don't trade the open a whole lot, and at this point right here, I was up 3,500 today with this one account that was blown, and then several other. These accounts here at that time were 600 in profit. I mean, I've had these accounts up to like 52, 7, 8, probably more like 3 or 4 times already. And then I went in with big size with these contracts, or with these accounts, and also with this 151 that I was trying to pass, and it really, really bit me. I think when we ended the open range, I had gone from up 3,500 to only up 1,800 across several accounts. So that was a bit of a painful, lesson of just trying you don't be too greedy, and I was. But hey, it is what it is. We live and we learn. I don't know. Overall, if you eliminate Tuesday and you look at the rest of the days, which we can't eliminate Tuesday, but I really read the market very, very, very well this week, and I feel like I'm just in that area right now where I've got a really good handle on my ATMs. I'm doing most of my trading with 2 contracts. This 2 contract big that I call it. I really like this strategy. That one's working extremely well for me. And then today I was doing a lot of this, going in with 1 contract. Big target, big stop loss. I'm obviously adjusting it, and then scaling into trades with that. So that worked extremely well. And then obviously I'm still doing this 10 contract pass thing. And I don't know. This is just kind of fun. I wish you could trade PA accounts that way and they would let you do it, because man, whew. If you can catch a swing, if you can catch that market, and I am a price action trader, and so when I see the price moving in a direction that I like, or I see the action going to where I can tell, hey, this is going to go up or it's going to pull back, and that triggers me to enter. When you are reading it well and you go in with big size, it can be really, really good. It can also be really bad, but it can be really good. The other thing to note today is, if you notice, I really did a phenomenal job of sticking with this EMA. My trades, for the most part, were really, really right along that EMA. And obviously, we just had one of these slow, grindy days, and I've had these days before, and I usually capitalize extremely well. Today I think we ended up with a net $1 positive on the eval accounts. And before this trade happened up here, I was up about, I think I was up around 4,000. So yeah, I had a really good day outside of one really, really bad trade where, yeah, I just thought, man, we're so close. We can get it. We can, pass this account today, and I should have just taken the profits. And yeah, is what it is. Hindsight's 2020, and again, I'll go back to these famous words I like to recite. There's winning trades and there's learning trades. There's no losing trades. So it is what it is. But okay, we will dive into next week. If you're needing evals, here's a code that I would appreciate if you use. It does help out a little bit. But in any case, use someone's code. Don't buy evaluation accounts at full price. Right now, Apex is running the 71% off evaluations and 71% off recurring months, and they're also doing 50% off resets. So there you have it. We'll see. Actually, I wanted to look at the Trademetria thing here too and kind of show you. This was interesting as I looked at this earlier. It shows all my accounts right now. For the day, I'm up 341. I want to show the key metrics on the PA. This was really interesting to me how it varies a little bit, and I think this is because I'm trading the PA with a bit more caution. But look at this. My P&L on longs is 795, and I'm losing on shorts. So and my win rate continues to improve slowly and slowly. It keeps improving. So this tells me that right now, maybe it's just this trend, but right now I'm doing way better on long trades than I am on short trades. Could be the market, could be a varying factor, but it's an interesting observation. I love this to see those metrics. Worst loss, $200. Best win, 389. So decent balance there. And again, love seeing this green. I really hope next week we can string together another green week. Even if we have some small days like $24, that's okay. When you have big days of 381 and 400, that really makes a difference. So in any case, I really love this Trademetria software. It is so robust. It gives you a lot of data. I love the fact that you can put so many or add so many different accounts. Why is this not paying? Here we go. There we go. Now we can look at all of our accounts in total. We can see where we're at. So yeah, very positive. All right, I think I'm going to leave it at that, and wish you guys a great weekend, and we will catch up with you on Monday. Trade well. We'll catch you on the flip side.